If you have chickens and have noticed that they are laying less eggs, that their eggs are smaller, less frequent, or that they sometimes go missing for days, you are not alone. That is why today we will show you a simple recipe that you can make yourself at home without spending money on expensive and unhealthy food sold by veterinary services. And we invite you to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you, dear friends. Many people immediately think that the problem is in the breed or age of the chickens, but the truth is completely different. Chickens do not stop laying for no reason. The most common causes are stress, mineral deficiency, poor digestion, sudden changes in weather, or simply an exhausted body. When a chicken lacks something, the body first protects its health and only then thinks about the eggs. That is why it often happens that industrial food and expensive supplements do not give the results we expect. However, there is one simple, natural trick that our grandmothers used. It costs almost nothing and can visibly increase egg laying after just a few days. That is why it is important to stay until the end, because I will reveal the recipe only at the very end. The capacity of eggs directly depends on the internal health of the hen. If she lacks calcium, iron, or vitamins, or if her digestion is weak, the body automatically reduces or completely stops egg production. Natural supplements work differently because they strengthen immunity, improve intestinal flora, reduce stress, and help better absorption of minerals. When the hen is healthy from the inside, the eggs come by themselves, without forcing and without chemicals. The advantage of such natural solutions is that they are completely safe for people who later eat these eggs. Already after a few days of use, many notice that the chickens are more lively, their feathers are shinier, they drink more water, and the eggs become bigger and have a harder shell. With some, the load capacity increases so much that the hens lay again almost every day. It is important to emphasize that this is not an overnight miracle, but it is a strong natural stimulus that helps the hen's body to return to balance. This recipe is not used all the time, but occasionally when the load capacity decreases or as a preventative measure. Now we come to the recipe itself. You need 1 liter of clean water, 1 tablespoon of natural apple cider vinegar, and 1 small spoon of ground red pepper, and for a milder version, chamomile tea can be used instead of paprika. Everything is mixed well and poured into a drinking bowl. This water is given to the chickens 2 to 3 times a week, not every day. This mixture improves digestion, helps the body to better use minerals, and naturally promotes egg laying. If you have chickens and want more eggs, healthier animals, and a natural, chemical-free approach, this trick is worth trying. Write in the comments how many eggs your chickens lay and if you have already tried something similar. And if you find the video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel because here we share simple, natural tips that really give results.